Hello everyone, my name is Love Chisom. You're welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful two-piece Ankara sets, okay? The jumbo pants and the crop top. So stay tuned, let's go. So the first thing you're going to do is to fold your fabric into two and you start putting your measurements. Divide your waist by 4 plus 3 inches allowance, okay? We are going to use elastic for this trouser. So right here, come down by your crotch depth. Mine is 13.5. You can make 14 if you like. It will still give you the same thing. So you draw a straight line, connect with your straight line. So right here, I'm trying to cross check. So I'm taking the full length of the Ankara because it's 45 inches. I'm taking the full length. So right here, divide your hip measurements by 4 plus 2.5 inches for ease and 3 inches for crotch extension. So whatever you have, measure whatever you have on your crotch line here. You are going to take it down. I have 17.5 here. You are going to take it down to the hem of your trouser. You're going to take it down to the full length of your trouser. So I have many videos on how to make this jumbo Ankara pant. The video before this one now, a full detail on how to make it and even the elastic, okay? You can go and watch the full detail there. So because I'm not going to show everything now, connect from your waistline to your crotch line. I'm not going to show everything. I will only show you how I cut it out, how to cut the pocket, and we start with the top. So fold your fabric into two again, add 2.5 inches from the waist to the down of the trouser, the way I did it here. So the next thing I'm going to do, after that, join your trouser, fix your pocket to join your trouser, then measure your round waist, round the waist of your trouser, then use it to, whatever you have, to cut out the band. So that is what I did here. So the next thing we are going to do now is to cut the pocket. Let me show you how I cut out the pocket. So cut out the pocket. So after cutting the pocket, you start fixing. But I've fixed mine already. I'm just showing you how I cut out the pocket. So trim out the excess, then put your fabric, put your hand like your finger like this, your palm, sorry, like this. Then give it the shape that you want. Just shape it to your taste. Okay, just fold your fabric into 4. Place your hand and shape it to your fit the way you want, okay? Then cut it out. That is it. Attach it on your trouser and then sew. So that is it. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome, okay? Stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? Subscribe, drop your comments and likes, okay? So now we are going to cut the top, okay? So divide your shoulder into 2. My shoulder is 18, but I'm going to make it, my shoulder is 16, but I'm going to make it 18 because this is a free dress. Divide your shoulder into 2, mark it there, come down by your bust point, under bust, waistline. So you can make use of your waist as the length of your crop top, or you can add something. So I made use of 19 inches here, but I will later add 1 inch to make it 20 inches so that by the time I fold, it will not be too short. So after putting down your measurements, you connect bust point, under bust, and the top length. That is what I wrote there. So whatever you have on your shoulder, bring it down so that it will be a guide to get a straight line from shoulder to the bust point. That was why I did so. So right here, I'm going to come down by 1 inch. Use my ruler to connect it as my shoulder slant. That is for my shoulder slant. Then come down by 1 inch for the back, neck depth of the back top. So then I will connect it. Now, right now, I'm going to come down by my sleeve, for my round sleeve. Come down by, now my round sleeve, I come down by 9 inches. Divide the 9 inches into 2. Use your curve ruler to curve it. I'm not going to go in by 1/2 inch. Because this is a free dress, okay? So right here, I'm trying to put my measurement. My bust divide by 4 plus 3 inches allowance. My waist divide by 4 plus 3 inches allowance also here. I'll use my ruler to connect the both lines. Now, on my underbust, to give it a good shape and fitting, on my underbust, I came in by 1 inch, and I'll use my ruler to curve it. Give it that curvy shape there. So that is it. We are done for cutting of the top. So I'm going to cut it out now. Then I'll come down by 1 inch like I told you before, making it 20 inches. So I came down by 1 inch now. So after that, I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it out, I'll remove the back and I will cut the neckline of the front. So it's time to measure and cut the neck depth for the front. So I came down by 9 inches. Now I'm going to use my straight ruler to make a sharp V-neck. I'm making use of V-neck, please, in this top. Yeah, sewing V-neck. So I'm going to remove the back. Then I will cut out the neckline for the front. So after cutting it out, you cut out facing to turn the front, or you can make use of bias. Then join the front and back together and join the shoulder. Put the front and back together, then join it on the shoulder. Cut out facing for it, or you can make use of bias. So I made use of facing for my own. Join the two shoulders. That is also, we are going to go over to the cutting of the sleeve. So for my sleeve length, I make use of 18 inches. So, but I mark 17 here. Later, I will add 1 inch down. So I mark 17 inches here. So I'll mark 3 inches here. I will come down by 5 inch here. Then I'll also come down by 5 inch on this side. Then I'll use my ruler to connect the lines. So right here, please make sure this is up to 10 inches or 11. So I mark my 10.5 here and I will curve. So that is all. So for my sleeve, round sleeve here, I made use of 8 inches, which is 16 or 8.5, whichever one that is okay for you. Just let it be big and okay, fine. So I connect. Now I'm going to cut it out. After cutting it out, I'm going to show you how I fixed I've added the 1 inch already, my top. So this is it. So after cutting it out, make sure you notch it so that it will help you when you will be fixing it on your dress. It will not be difficult for you, to make your work easy for you. So right here, this is the top. I've turned it with facing, and I'm trying to show you how it was when I cut it out, and I've turned the facing and joined the two shoulders together. So this is the facing, this is the front part of it. So you're not going to turn the back, please, because we are going to add collar to this top. You're not going to turn the back. So we are going to join the two sides, then fix our sleeve. So watch what I am doing. So close the two sides, then fix your sleeve. I'm just showing you how it will look like when you fold it, when you fix it. So this is it. I'll fix the sleeve. So the next thing is to fix the collar. So I'm trying to measure what I have at the back. But because I want the collar to come forward a little bit, so I will come in by 1 inch on both sides from the shoulder, come into the front by 1 inch on the two shoulders. Watch how I did it, 1 inch on the two shoulders. So this is it, 1 inch. Now you're going to measure whatever you have there. You're going to use it to cut out your band. Now I have 9 inches. So now look at, I've given the shape. Look at what I marked there. So on that small side, that is where you are going to place your 9 inches. But I make use of 9.5 so that by the time I sew it, I will have a little allowance for sewing. So look at it, mark it here. Then use your ruler to give it a shape. Shape it. Just watch how I did it. Place your ruler this way and shape it. Just give it that shape so that by the time you sew it, it will relax. Okay. So now I'm going to cut it out. Place your 9 inches there. Then divide it by 2. I'm trying to show you this is 2 inches. This is 1.5. Divide your 9 inch. Whatever you have on your collar, divide it by 2. Place it on that small side. Then give it a shape. So that is all. So now I'm going to open it up for you to see. And I will go to my ironing table and put my interfacing on it. So after putting my interfacing on it, so this is it. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to fold it into 2 and I will sew the both sides. Sew the both sides. So I'll come back to show you. So this is it. So I've sewn the both sides, iron it, and I ironed 1/2 inch inside. So that's when I sew it, I'll use that place to turn it over. So right here, I'm going to show you how to sew it. Fold your neck into 2. Make sure they are equal. Please be careful here so that it will not give you a bad shape. Make sure they are equal. Give it a notch. And also do the same thing on your collar. Fold them into 2. Make sure they are equal. Then you give it a notch. So now on the 2 notches, place them together. The 2 places that you notch, then you sew. After sewing it around there to your 9 inches that you marked, now we are going to top stitch. So I will turn it down. Look at it here. I've sewn it. Now I'm going to show you how to fold it over and top stitch. So you hold it this way, fold it over, and then you top stitch. So top stitch, that is it. So we are done for the top, for the collar. Now we are going to fold the down parts of the top. We are going to fold the down part of the top. So this is it. Fold the down part, and this is the trouser. We are done. If you watch this video to this extent, thank you very much. I so much appreciate your efforts, your views. I don't take them for granted. Thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please subscribe, like, and drop your comments, okay? Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Let us wait for the final results. Thank you guys for watching. Boom, this is the final result. Thank you so much. Bye. Mwah.